1962 Ford Thunderbird Hardtop Coupe. Price $8,950. Location, Montana. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird Hardtop Coupe is a true icon of American automotive history, representing the bold and futuristic design language of the early 1960s. Known as part of the legendary Bullet Bird generation, this car features sleek, jet-inspired styling that immediately captures attention. Finished in its original chestnut metallic color and paired with a deep red interior, it offers a striking combination that feels both luxurious and nostalgic. The design of this Thunderbird is what truly sets it apart. From the sculpted body lines to the signature round afterburner taillights, every detail reflects inspiration from the aerospace era. The chrome accents, including the bumpers and trim, enhance its premium feel, while the hood vents add a sporty and aggressive touch. This is not just a car, it's a rolling piece of art that tells a story of innovation and ambition. The performance is equally impressive for its time. Powered by a strong V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this Thunderbird delivers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The addition of a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust system gives it a satisfying power delivery, while power steering ensures comfort behind the wheel. It's a car designed not only to look good, but also to provide a relaxed and confident ride. The interior brings you straight into a world of vintage luxury. The spacious seating, including a comfortable front row and a full rear bench, makes it ideal for cruising. The full-length center console adds a unique touch of sophistication, while features like power windows, an analog clock, and a push-button radio remind you of a time when driving was as much about experience as it was about destination. Every element inside the cabin feels thoughtfully crafted and full of character. The overall condition of this Thunderbird makes it an exciting opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. It is currently running and drivable, which is a huge advantage, but it does require some cosmetic and mechanical work to reach its full potential. This has already been considered in its attractive price, making it a perfect project car for someone looking to own and restore a piece of automotive history. The value of this car goes beyond its price tag. Owning a 1962 Thunderbird means owning a symbol of an era when cars were designed with passion, creativity, and bold imagination. With the right restoration and care, this classic coupe can easily become a show-stopping centerpiece or a weekend cruiser that turns heads wherever it goes. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird Hardtop Coupe is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, a legacy, and a chance to relive the golden age of American cars. If you're looking for a classic with strong fundamentals and undeniable style, this could be the perfect addition to your collection.